Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to find your Android phone if it's lost or misplaced. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, tap Security and Privacy, Google, or Security, depending on your device. Look for Find My Device or Find Hub, then make sure the feature is turned on. Also, ensure that location is enabled and that you're signed in to your Google account, as these are required for your phone to be located. If your phone is ever lost, use another Android device or a computer and sign in to the same Google account. Open Find My Device or Find Hub, then select your Android phone from the list of devices. The service will try to locate your phone and display its location on the map if it's online and location services are enabled. You can also choose options to play sound, secure device, or erase device if necessary. Playing a sound is useful if your phone is nearby, while securing or erasing the device can help protect your personal information if it's lost. Keep in mind that your phone needs to be connected to the internet or be discoverable through supported offline finding features for the location to be updated accurately. That's all. You've successfully learned how to find your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.